Hello, welcome to Doctor's Corner. My name is Eldon Dahl, and I am the founder and CEO of Life Choice. How often have you walked into a health food store to see before you a sea of vitamins, and you ask yourself the question, what are they all good for? Are they good for me? And is there any difference? We get asked this question over and over and over again. Probably one of the most asked questions we get is, how do I know the difference? And I really feel sorry for most people when they walk into a health store, because really it's quite deceptive. Especially now in Canada, when you have products that have a natural health product number on them. And the natural health product are on all vitamins being sold in Canada because it's regulated. But that is not a guarantee that they're all made the same, because they're not all made the same. And to address this issue on product quality, to address the issue of how to treat health conditions naturally with natural health products that are therapeutic, and to talk about issues that are normally not discussed, like taboo subjects on cancer and childhood cancer, disease proliferation, immune deficiency. We're going to talk about these things. And, I'm not an actor. I'm a formulator. I've entered the health industry in 1986. I graduated as a naturopathic doctor in 1988. I've been in the health field now for 33 years, both in practice and in research and development. I'm the formulator for Life Choice, so I source all the raw materials. I know what the marketplace is offering. And rather than have one of my staff do the videos to explain the difference, I'm going to do them myself. I'm going to tell you the real goods, what's happening, and it'll be complete transparency, because really the buck stops with me. There is a big difference. When I was in clinical practice, I seen some remarkable changes in health conditions. I had this one particular patient of mine. I'll never forget her. She came into my office, and let me set the scene. She comes in, her daughter is holding her left elbow, and she's holding an intravenous and wheeling it into my office. She's got the white turban wrapped around her head, and then she sits down in front of me. She said, I wear the white turban because I've had so many radiation treatments that my skull is so thin that it could crack. And we came here directly from the hospital because the doctor told me I have 2 years to live, or 2 weeks, 2 weeks to live. As a young doctor back then, in the early 90s, and someone who is trained for preventative therapy, it was quite a situation to be in for me, to tell you the truth. But one thing I really noticed, is the look of fear in her eyes. And I looked at her in the face and I says, where there's breath, there's hope. And I said, I don't know, in your condition, it's quite severe, but I can help you that you'll live more comfortably. And so I did. I tested her. I went to her apartment and tested her with my Vega machines and other machines. Gave her a full holistic profile, and she started to get well. the thing that I remember most is the change of complexion, how the fear had left. She had hope. And several months, maybe 9 months had passed, and her daughter came into the office with a bouquet of flowers and a bottle of champagne. And she says to me, I want to thank you because you gave our family our mother back. And she died in peace and dignity. Really, that's what it's all about. Natural medicine is not out there to say that we can cure any disease. No. But it is a viable alternative to allopathic, synthetic drug treatment that is treating the symptom of disease. Naturopathic medicine and products that are produced with the highest grade of quality raw materials and formulated for cellular delivery is as effective as prescription drugs, but without the side effects or dependency. The difference is in the sourcing of the raw materials. We're going to discuss these things in future videos that are coming up. And I hope that if you enjoy what you're viewing, and you will share them with your friends and family and help us spread the good word. Let the people know that they're not bound to a lifetime of drug therapy. That our sickness sometimes is either willed to us because of the fear aspect and because we believe there is no hope, or our healing is also willed to us by the same brain, and it's how we approach things. Our mental approach to disease and health is huge. So for Doctor's Corner, I'm Eldon Dahl, and the best of health. Bye for now.